Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check in for your flight. If you booked a flight on Agoda and you are wondering how to check in, don't worry. In this video, I will explain how to flight check in walk with Agoda. First, open the Agoda app and log into your account. Tap booking at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see airline name, flight number, booking reference or reservation code. This information is very important for checking in. Now open the Safari on the airline official app, search for the airline and go to online check-in. Type in your last name and booking reference from Agoda. This pulls up your flight, choose your seat if available, confirm your details and finish checking in. Once done, you will get a boarding pass, either detailed or downloadable. Save it on your phone and add it to Apple Wallet if the airlines allow it. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.